In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace front wiper blades on a Ford Transit Connect. These are located on the windshield. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and open our hood since we are doing the lower wiper blade to gain enough access to it. We're going to go ahead and locate it and the tab. We're going to push back on this tab and release the wiper blade from the arm. So lift up, push back on the tab, and slide the wiper blade out. To install them, ensure you have the correct adapter on. In our case, RB adapter. So make sure it's fully clipped in. We're going to put it into position. I'm going to lift it up. Feed it on the clips on both sides here and push down. Make sure it's secure, and repeat this for the other wiper blade.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.